Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. The iPhone unavailable messages appears on lock screen after you enter wrong passcodes many times. You may be very concerned for not getting into your iPhone, but this problem is easy to figure out. In this video, I will discuss why your iPhone is unavailable and how to fix it. Solution 1. Directly tap Erase iPhone on the screen. If you forget the passcode on your iPhone and keep entering the wrong passcode, you will see not only the iPhone unavailable or security lockout message, but also the Erase iPhone option. Apple offers us this option to reset the phone on the lock screen. First, keep entering the passcode and see the Erase iPhone option on the bottom right corner. Tap on it and it will notify you about erasing iPhone and losing data. Go ahead, enter your Apple ID password and then the erase process will begin. Once done, you can set it up as a new device. Solution 2. Using For You key to fix iPhone unavailable without passcode. How to fix the unavailable iPhone if you don't have access to a network or see iPhone unavailable, no erase option. You can use Tenorshare For You key, which is available to unlock the disable screen without any passcode. It is compatible with the latest iOS 16 and iPhone 14 Pro Max and also supports unlocking all iPads and iPhones. First, you need to launch For You key on a computer and click the Start button. Connect your iPhone to the computer, read the notes here and click Next to proceed. For You key will match the latest iOS firmware and you can download it to any location you want on the PC. After that, you can start removing the passcode you forgot. It takes a few minutes. Wait for a few minutes, your passcode will be removed and iPhone unavailable messages will disappear. Solution 3. Unlock an unavailable iPhone via iTunes. When iPhone says iPhone unavailable, the third way is to restore your iPhone to factory settings by using iTunes. But sometimes iTunes cannot detect your iPhone when it is locked. In this situation, follow the mentioned steps. Put your unavailable iPhone in recovery mode. First, then connect it to iTunes on your computer. iTunes will pop up a message window. Then go with the restore option. Then your iPhone gets restored in a few minutes and you will see the hello screen after it restarts. Solution 4. Unlock an unavailable iPhone via Find My iPhone. Is there any other way to fix iPhone unavailable screen with Find My enabled across your devices? You can also erase your unavailable iPhone wirelessly on iCloud.com with another device, like the first method. It also needs Apple ID login and network. Open iCloud.com on a browser and sign into your Apple ID. Go to Find iPhone. Click All Devices on the top bar. Select your iPhone that says unavailable and proceed with the erase option. Since no firmware is involved, this process could be pretty faster and you will soon get access to your iPhone again. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.